I'm sculpting, don't painting on canvas. The colors are sculpting the shapes. Tamuna's quote, written on the small papers, accidentally we could find at home. Tamuna played with colors. She played with plane and space, and the abundance of her thoughts, it's clearly visible in the titles of her works. So I suppose she played with words as well. Tamuna was absolutely exceptional, a human being. Her enormous energy, tsunami-like energy, was contagious, and she could charge her surrounding. She was very soft and sensitive and very powerful at the same time. And for me, she was as a visionary person who could deeply delve into the truth. She was very honest, and I would like to tell that this first institutional exhibition, it's like a statement, first statement, and this exhibition reflects her revolutionary spirit, and you can see her state of affairs of her life, which was quite complex.